What's up, everybody? It's Johnny Mac from Manic Skates, and if you've been skateboarding for a while, you've had some person who's really old come up to you and say, I used to skateboard when you'd break roller skates in half and mount them to a piece of fence post. Well, I came across some old skates, cut them in half, got an old skateboard, and shaped it into like a fence post. I made a skateboard out of old roller skates and a skateboard that's been out in the rain that I skated for a couple of years at least. So brought it back to life. There are my wife's old skates and they started separating right here. She asked me to take the wheels off and said to throw them out. I'm gonna hack them there with a grinder, make a Sidewalk surfer skateboard. Get back to our roots, yo. One set of skates, two pair of trucks. I made some marks where the trucks go. I kind of centered the truck on the holes, the existing holes, and I'm just gonna lop this off on the bandsaw, the nose and tail, to try to keep it somewhat correct. I'm not gonna use a fence post. I'm just gonna slice down this board. It's gonna be crude like they were back in the day. I just eyeballed and traced out a box, basically the width of the truck and cutting off the kicks. And then on a sander, I'll just kind of, shape it a little bit, sand off this graphic, give it a new one. Sanded it, edge routed it, probably hand sand it with some 400, paint it. I just marked some random holes here with a marker, and I'll hit them with a drill press. Do like 3-hole pattern. Holes drilled, 3-hole pattern. I drew a center line and then used a punch and just laid the truck on there and punched the holes, and we'll drill them out. New truck holes drilled. Spray paint, I had a vinyl decal laying around, so I just put that on the middle. Gloss the board. Not bad. She cleans up nice, huh? There you have it. It's done. Pretty sweet. From a skateboard that has been in the rain for over 2 years. Refinished. Cut up some roller skates. Some freshies on there. Roller skate wheels. They have a different axle, so you gotta use roller skate wheels and bearings. There you go. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about how you can just take stuff that you're going to throw away and make something cool. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Manic Skates. Don't forget to go to manicskates.com and make a purchase. Help support the channel. Keep making, keep skating. Woo!